Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR Mini and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see your AMAZFIT GTR Mini on the device page. Under it there should be watch faces category. Tap on this arrow next to it to open the whole watch face store, and here we have the list of watch faces you can download, basically the categories, and you can open different categories, scroll through them, look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you want to install, you can simply tap on it to select it. And as you can see, for some of the watch faces you need to pay for, and some of them are free. So let's find something that is not basically we can install for free. So let's say this one. You can select the watch face and then you can tap on the sync button to download and install it. And after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch. Like this. And of course you can install multiple watch faces. And if you want to see the list of watch faces you installed on your watch, at the top of the store you will see this category called Mine. You need to tap on it, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch, and we can change between them or switch between them quite quickly by just simply selecting one. And right here you have the story of your purchases. So basically if you remove the watch face from your watch, you still will have it here if you purchased it, and you can simply tap on it quickly and tap on install or sync to download and install it. And to remove the watch face, you have this delete button. You can select the watch face you want to remove, tap on delete, tap on OK, and it will be removed from your watch. So it won't be right here on the list anymore. And then once you're done downloading your watch faces, you can close the app, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.